Hi folks, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. Today I'm not going to do a collection, but I will do some talking with you on this rainy Tuesday. Like I said, tomorrow I'll look up some items for the video and go from there. But today, can't do it. But in the meantime, how are you doing? How is your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Enjoying the weather, doing pretty good. It's cool and rainy, so doing pretty good. But at the end of the month, I'll show you more new items, but that will be at the end of the month, plus the items I got around here. And if you have any suggestions on any CDs, DVDs, LP records, or cassettes, leave down in the comments, and I'll show you those items. And, like I said, tomorrow I'll resume with a collection of some kind. Like I said, I've got to look for some items and see what I can't find for the video and go from there. Most of all, always remember to be kind and true, and always have love in your heart, and always respect others. Today I've been watching movies and napping off and on, and visiting my mom and my family and friends. So I've been staying in most of the day on account of the rain. So, but in the meantime, don't forget, at the end of the month, I'll have more new items to show you, and plus the rest of the items I got around here. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, refer this channel to a friend, relative, don't matter who, as long as you share the news. And always remember to always like, subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified when I post the next video here on YouTube. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.